Alright, welcome to another section of our tutorial class. So now we are still on English, logarithm and sorts of numbers. So now we are taking examples on sorts. We have a question here. 5 root 27 minus 3 root 12. So how do we equate this? The first thing to do is to get the roots to their simplest form. You get the roots to their simplest form. That's the sort to their simplest form. So this is what we do. Don't forget that what's attached this 5 and root 27 is multiplication. That's 5 times root 27. The same thing applies to this also. So let's not forget that. It's separated with a multiplication sign. So when we have this, what can we do? That's 5 roots. What gives us 27? There must be a perfect square that we can multiply with another number to give us 27. And that's what? 9 times 3. Yeah. 9 times 3. 9 is the perfect square. 3 times 3. So that's 9 times what? 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 gives us what? 27. Minus, when we have this, 3 roots. What about 12? What can you multiply? A perfect square, then another number. That's 4 and 3. 4 is the perfect square, 2 times 2. So that's 4 and 3. 4 times 3. Okay. So now from here we can separate. Don't forget the laws, the multiplication law of sort that I gave earlier. We have the square root of A times square root of B equals the square root of A times B. The first B, you can still get it back to this. Let's not forget that. So now from here, so what do we do? Don't forget it's separated with multiplication. So that means 5 times root 9 times root 3. This is this. This same thing as this because 9 times 3 is 27. So that's root 27, 5 root 27. So we have this back. So these are with separated. Then the same thing applied here. That's 3 times, don't forget, put it in the bracket, 3 times root 4 times root 3. Because the two of them are sharing the same roots. So that will be root 4 times root 3. Don't forget, this is only applicable with multiplication sign. But if it is plus, if it is 4 plus 3, it cannot be so. That will just be 4 plus 3, that will be what? 7, root 7. So it's different from when it's multiplication sign. So when it's a multiplication, you can separate the roots between the two of them. So now from here, we have this. So we have 5 times the square root of 9 is what? 3. 3 times 3. So that's 3 times the square root of 3 is unknown. Okay, yeah. The square root of 3 is known. Due to your calculator, we get it in decimal places. But in sort, we don't leave our answers in decimal places.